Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nabila Septiani. I'm from class 3D and now I would like to answer the reflective question about AI. So without any further ado, let's go to the first question. The first question is, how have you used AI tools like ChatGPT to assist with your English writing tasks? Can you give specific example? I use ChatGPT as a reference for my English assignment. Like for example, I was given an assignment to write an essay, and then I want to write essay about cats, but I was confused about the what to write in the essay. The content is, and then I used ChatGPT to see what kind of essay that AI would make. So after see the essay the ChatGPT made, I took several points that were related to the essay I was going to write, and then developed them into an essay with words and sentences that I create by myself. So I use AI just and for an illustration. The second question is one, in what ways has AI supported your speaking practice in English? How effective has it been for improving your spoken communication? AI is AI helped me a lot by giving me the correct pronunciation of some words and direct feedback. I usually use Duolingo to improve my speaking skills. In Duolingo, we can find out which word we pronounce wrongly, and then the Duolingo will be give the how to pronounce word correctly. For example, the sentence, please answer the question honestly during the exam. I mispronounced the word answer. A. The word answer should be the pronounce with answer, but I mispronounce. And then Duolingo will be tell us like I said before, like that. And I think it's very effective, especially for student majoring in English. We can learn by ourselves without the help of teachers. We become more accustomed to speaking English, and there are more benefits. I personally feel an improvement in my English speaking skills. In the past, I pronounced many words wrongly, and now I have become better. Now I have also started to get used a daily conversation with English. And next, the third question is, how do you feel about the feedback you receive from AI tools like ChatGPT when working on English writing assignment? I feel I feel less satisfied because ChatGPT does not provide sources. So I usually use another AI like Perplexity, which is provide sources rather than ChatGPT. I also use both when I working on writing assignment. Both of them are really help me in constructing sentences to connect with each other, but not always, because if I use AI too often, I will be get addicted. Okay, the next question is, have you noticed any improvement in your writing or speaking skills since you started using AI tools? If so, in what areas specifically? Yes, my speaking has improved in pronunciation, and I can have a daily conversation. I have learned a lot of new words and learn how to pronounce them correctly. And for my writing, I think my sentence coherence and grammatical rules have improved. For example, I write after writing the sentence, what kind of sentence should I continue with, and what sentence should I use for writing past tense or present tense, I know what I would like to write. And the next question is, what challenges have you encountered when using AI tools for learning English? How did you overcome them? The challenges I face when using AI is that the answer given by AI are inconsistent. For example, when I use ChatGPT, I give two of them same question, but ChatGPT gives a different answer. So the I overcome them. I overcome this by using another AI to compare the answer of one AI with another AI. So and then another challenges is that there when I using AI there are many words that are difficult for me to understand. So I have to find out the meaning by myself by using a dictionary of or asking someone who is more proficient in English than me. And the next question is, in what ways have you used AI tools to develop your critical thinking skills, particularly when working in English writing or speaking tasks? I usually use AI by searching for several sources, such as articles or journal for writing assignment. Because for writing assignment, it should be have source are reliable sources. Yes, especially for writing essay or writing articles. And this can improve my critical thinking because I have to read this all sources that I looking for and then filter them according to the writing I need. In speaking assignment, uh, lecturer usually give speaking assignment in the form of video or speaking in front of everyone, right? Uh, so I usually before working on the assignment, I usually use AI such as Oxford Dictionary or Cambridge Dictionary to know how to pronounce the word correctly. The next question is, how do you explore and experiment with AI features to improve your English learning experience, especially in writing speaking? I try to experiment by comparing AI generate essay or article. For example, I compare article made by ChatGPT and article that I found out on Google Scholars. And the result is very different. In AI generated article, the language is too high and less understandable for me, while human generated article can still understand, and the article also include citation, while AI generated article do not have citation. I also explore AI by having conversation with AI. Yeah, like I usually have small conversation with Gemini. It it really helps for me to improve my speaking skill to be more fluent. Okay, the question is, what role do you think AI tools should play in language learning? Are they a supplement or do you see them as integral to the process? I think AI tools is just a supplement because without AI, language learning can still be done. Like we can learn from teacher or books without AI. So I personally use AI only when I'm stuck. For example, I'm stuck on grammar rules and the Dylan is coming up. Then I use Grammarly to help me. But if I'm not stuck, I'll do it myself. Yeah. So I think yeah, AI is just supplement. Okay, the next question is, do you think using AI tools help you think more critically about language, grammar, and communication, or does it sometimes limit your creativity, and why? Yes, I think AI helped me think more critically, and I don't think AI limit my creativity because I only use AI as reference. Uh, the answer given by AI are sometimes still difficult to understand, so I have to analyze which point I'm looking for. Then I will add some things according to the knowledge I know, the knowledge I have. So I don't copy all the answer from AI. I will filter or paraphrase the answer first. So I think I still can think critically. Okay, the last question is, what are your future goals for using AI to further enhance your English skill, especially in writing and speaking? How do you plan to continue using these tools? My future goals is that I want to improve English skills so that in the future I can write fluently without the help of AI. And I also want to speak English fluently in front of many people. So I plan to use AI wisely so that I can get addicted. And I will utilize several AIs such as Cambridge English to practice my writing skills, and Oxford University Press or the BBC Learning English to practice my speaking skill. And there are still many other AI that I can utilize to further improve my English skill. So I think this all from me. Thank you for listening and see you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.